ए फलक, मुझको अपनी माँ की मैली ओढ़नी अच्छी लगी।
Mother, a female parent, the center of creation, inspiration and love, one who rears, nurture and protect children, a mender of hearts, a maker and holder of memories, someone who loves unconditionally.
Suriva classes wishes all the mothers a very very happy Mother's Day.
माँ वो हस्ती है जिसकी पेशानी में नूर, आँखों में ठंडक, अल्फाज में मोहब्बत, आगोश में दुनिया भर का सुकून, हाथों में शफ़क़त और पैरों तले जन्नत है।
Mother's Day is a celebration of relentless love, sacrifice and care that a mother has toward her child. A small dedication, वो माँ ही तो होती है, written by us to all the amazing and incredible mother of the world. वो माँ ही तो होती है जो बिना कुछ कहे सब समझ जाती है,
जो बिना कुछ कहे सब समझ जाती है, वो माँ ही तो होती है।
अपने बच्चों के लिए जो सबसे लड़ जाती है,
जो बिना कुछ बोले सब समझ जाती है,
जो उम्मीदों की नई आशा हमारे में भर जाती है, वो माँ ही तो होती है। बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक हर फीलिंग्स को झट से पकड़ लेना,
अपने गम को बच्चों की हंसी में भुला देना,
जो बच्चों को डांटते डांटते भी प्यार करती है,
वो माँ ही तो होती है।
इस लॉकडाउन में सारी दुनिया बंद है, पर माँ का काम जारी है।
माँ वो जन्नत है जिसको खुदा ने ज़मीं पे उतारी है,
जो अपने गमों की शिकायत किसी से नहीं करती है,
वो माँ ही तो होती है। When you look into your mother's eyes, you know that is the purest love you can find on this earth.
The existence of women has always been a war, and breaking this, लोग क्या कहेंगे, monotony are some super moms. These moms have not just broken the rules, but also they have risen from the age-old thinking of Indian society. Let us explore a bit more about the pretty ladies who know no bound. All they know is flourish wherever they go. There are very inspiring Indian mothers who are in a varied profession and are still making their mark effortlessly.
So first one is Ashama Zainul Abidin was the mother of the great Prime Minister APJ Abdul Kalam. She was a hard-working woman. She supported him very much when he wants to study for higher education in a university. His family is not able to pay 1,000 rupees fees of university at that time. Then his mother sold his gold bangles for his son's studies. These scenes shows Ashama Zainul Abidin's support to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Hiraben Modi, mother of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Ahmedabad, he said her mother had already found out that her son was going to be the Chief Minister of a state. But my mother just looked at me, hugged me and said the best thing is that you will be back in Gujarat now. Such is a mother's nature that no matter what is going on around her, she wants to be close to her children. IPS mom Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi, no doubt, Kiran is the one of the strong ladies who were able to make a mark on every Indian's heart as a India's first lady IPS officer. Being an IPS officer, Kiran was known for her strict orders and her way of handling the criminals. She has a daughter Saina, whom Kiran never left unnoticed while she was serving the nation. Boxer mom Mary Kom. There would be a mystery anyone who did not know the legendary story of Mary Kom becoming Mary Kom. Mary is a proud mother of 3 naughty kids and lives very happily with her family. Tennis player mom Sania Mirza, one of India's best lady tennis player, is now a proud mother. Married to cricketer Shoaib Malik, this sporty couple is the proud parent of a boy Izhan Mirza Malik.
शिकायत पेटी में सबने शिकायतें डाली, एक माँ ही थी जिसने वहाँ भी दुआ कर डाली. Now, Bollywood mom Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, the former Miss Universe who ruled the heart of the nation with her role as Paro in Devdas, is a proud mom of a girl, Aradhya Bachchan. Ash, as famously known in the B Town, is very possessive about her daughter and is known for being a good mother. Now next one, Shilpa Shetty Kundra. She is known for being yoga guru lately and is a health freak. She has worked in numerous Hindi movies and is a proud mother of two little munchkins. Now, blogger mom, Roshni Bhatia. She is a queen mother on Instagram. Roshni was seen working with digital beauty and entertainment platform but left the company to continue with her career as a blogger. She has a son with her first marriage, Arjun. Both the mother and son duo love to hang out with each other while dancing and chit-chatting. And to give all the mothers tips and tricks on motherhood, Roshni has begun a series namely #Motherhood Monday.
All these moms and lots of other moms, your moms and our moms, are still ruling the herd. These inspiring Indian mothers are a great example of how a mother can not only run a house efficiently but also at the same time can live up to her dreams. Mother is the heartbeat in home, and without her there seems to be no heartthrob. So this is it for today's session. If you find my videos helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.